Hi friends, so this is the lecture number 7. We are explaining the probability. My request to everyone that please join the regular classes because we are providing more than 100 lecture on each topic. This time we are just discussing on probability, and after that we will also explain. Already we have uploaded the stat classes, the aptitude classes, and also for the computer science classes and mathematics other classes. Okay, so in this lecture we will solve one question, and he is asking 5 salesmen of A, B, C, D and E. There are total number of 5 salesmen of a company are considered of a 3-member trade delegations to represent the company in an international trade conference. Construct the sample space and find the probability that the first question is A is selected, second question A is not selected, and third question either A or D, not both is selected. So you have total number of 5 salesmen. You have total number of 5 salesmen A, B, C, D and E. Out of 5 you have to select 3. Okay, you have to select 3. So the sample space means total number of case. It means that total outcomes. So your total outcomes, that is A, either you will select ABC. First you have selected this at first you have to fix this one. Okay, A, then after then A, also fix this one, B, A, B, C, then A, B, D, then after then A, B, E. Okay, first we have done. We have fixed this one already. This is fixed. Again this is already fixed. We are fixing this one, C and D, then A, C, E. Okay, then we have also done this one. Now we are fixing this A, D, E. Okay, for the case number A we have done all the cases. Now this you have to fix B, C, D. This and this you have to fix B, C and E. Okay, now this is already fixed. Now you have to fix this one. Okay, B, D and E. Total number of cases also we have done for B. Now for the case number C, D and E, here is only one case, C, D. So we have done all the cases. How many cases are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the way to select m number out of n number. Okay, if n is greater than m. So these are total 10 cases. Okay, you have 5 member and you have to select 3 member out of 5. Okay, this is the method. Now, so this is the sample space. Now he is asking A is selected. The first one is A is selected. So you have to think, where is the A? Number first A is here. So your A, B, C, the first case. Again A is here. A, B, D. Then A is also here. A, B, E. Then A, C, D. Then A, C, E. Okay. Then A, D, E. So there are total number of 6 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 cases you can see here A is present. In this condition your favorable cases is 6. Your probability is equal to, out of 6 you have to select 1. So 6. Okay. Then out of 10 you have to select 1. That is the probability for the case number 1. Okay. Now he is asking A is not selected. Whenever the question is like this, he is asking this, then this question it is opposite of first question. Total probability is 1. In this condition, you have to solve this question. 1 minus P. P is this. So this is 1 minus 6 upon 10 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 upon 10. This is your answer. Whenever you have such type of question, then you will use this formula. 1 minus something. Or second method, A is not selected. Now you have to select where A is not present. You can see here A is not present, here A is not present, here A is not present, and here A is not present. There are total number of 4 cases where A is not present. So your cases, favorable cases is 4, and the sample case already we have explained, that is 10. This is your answer for question number 2. Okay. Now the question number 3. The question number 3, he is asking either A or D, not both is selected. Either A or D. You have to select where A is present. The first one is A, B, C. Okay. Now here A and D both are present. So we will skip this one. Now here only A present. Your A, B, E. Okay. Then here A and D both are present. So you will skip this one. Now here A, C, okay, in this condition again you will take this one. Now here A and D both are present, so we will skip this one. Here only D present, so we will select this one, B, C, D. Now here there is nothing, no, here A and D both are not present. Here D is present, so we will take this one, B, D, E, okay. Then here is also your D present. So your case is C, D. So there are total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total number of 6 cases where either A or D is present. Okay. So your answer in this condition, it will be out of 6 you will select 1, out of 10 you will select 1. That is the probability. Okay. So this is the favorable case and this is the sample case. I think that you understand. Okay. Thank you so much.